Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to talk with you guys about the Ultrahuman Air Ring. I recently got this ring and was really excited to just go over some of the pros, some of the cons, and then my overall thoughts on the ring. Just hopping right into some of the details, this is the ring I did end up choosing. It is the Silver Air Ultrahuman ring, and there were a couple different color options I could go with, from like a matte black tone to a gold tone. They even had a couple of different options for the silver, but I ended up choosing this one because this is the one I like the most, and I wanted to play around with more of like a mixing metals type of look. I'm normally a gold girly, so I figured I'd step out of my comfort zone and go with the silver, and I'm actually really glad I did. This ring is currently priced at $349. I do have an affiliate code down below if anyone would like to use it and get a little bit of money off on their purchase. I used the sizing kit to determine the best size that I would need for the ring. I was pretty confident based on my normal ring size, so I'm glad I did end up using the sizing kit because I actually was one off, and I think it did result in a pretty comfortable and accurate fit. The only time I really feel as though the ring is too snug is when I first wake up in the morning or when I first get out of the shower, but that really only lasts about like maybe 10 to 30 minutes, and then I can easily pull it off any other time throughout the day. It doesn't really require much tugging or pulling, but I don't worry about it sliding down or falling off otherwise. The ring pairs with an Ultrahuman app that you can download to your phone. On your phone, you'll be able to pull up all of your stats and data organized very nicely, very detailed explanations of what each marker and tracker is really actually doing. I think there are a lot of different trackers out there when it comes to our health, and all of them have a specific focus. I'd say this ring falls into that category of a overall wellness tracker. It doesn't dive too deep into a specific form of fitness, but it does generate a nice complete picture of your overall health on a day-to-day basis. Now that we've talked a lot about some of the details, let's move into some of the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the first one for me is that this ring doesn't require an additional subscription fee. I feel like it's just unfair to consumers to expect them to make a big purchase and then follow that up with a monthly fee that they also have to pay to use this thing that they've already paid for. So I love that this ring doesn't do that. I can use it to its fullest extent, get all of the benefits and all of the good things from the ring without having to pay anything additional. The next pro for me is that I think it is a stylish way to monitor my overall wellness. As opposed to, say, a watch or something of that nature, I think this fits into my overall style. It's easy to blend in, it's easy to wear, it's comfortable, and I feel like that is like one of the number one things I look for and something that I'm going to be using so much. Another thing I love about this ring is the amount of statistics it's tracking. It's tracking my body temperature, my heart rate, my stress, my movement. It's tracking all of these things in a nice daily, easy to digest form, but then also providing a nice weekly summary that I can break down and see how I've improved on a week-to-week basis. I think the way it organizes information is really helpful for me. It's easy for me to sort through and see where I've kind of been lacking, what I can improve on, and then how I just can be better on a day-to-day and a week-to-week type of basis. This app has a really nice sleep focus and provides realistic tips and helpful expectations for me to kind of work towards so that I can improve how I'm sleeping and the benefits I'm actually getting from my sleep. One of the best things for me is that it also has an alarm that will wake you up after a certain amount of sleep cycles to make sure you got a good night's rest. Also, I think the sleep tracker is fairly accurate. It can count how many times you've tossed and turned during the night, and it also knows from the time I'm in bed to the time I'm going to sleep, even down to the amount of time I've just laid there but not actually been asleep. Like how much time was I in bed but actually just on my phone scrolling. It keeps track of all these things and then factors it into the sleep score it gives you for the day. I also thought this was kind of cool. It monitored my sleep and then it gave me a nice little notice that not only was my sleep impacting my overall ability to function, but it also was impacting my immune system, and it was letting me know that you're not getting enough rest, your immune system is taking a hit, and you might be more susceptible to illnesses, so lock in. Another pro for me is the notifications. I am not hyper focused on my wellness as I know a lot of people can be, or maybe even as I should be. So this ring gives me a good amount of notifications to make sure I keep track of these things throughout the day, or that, you know, it doesn't completely drift from my mind. It will give me a notification if I forget to put the ring back on, and then it also will give me notifications throughout the day to ease up on the caffeine. You know, you're entering a window where this is going to impact your sleep and it's going to impact your energy throughout the day. So you should cut it off here. It'll also give me notification if I'm entering a period where I probably should cut down activity and cut down screen time so that it won't impact my sleep. And I'd say those are very helpful notifications because I don't necessarily think about those things throughout the day. So it's nice to stay on track so that I can be well rested and performing at my best throughout the week. So let's move into the cons. And really the only con for me is the battery life. I've seen a few people talk about this. The battery life for me really doesn't extend past maybe like 2.5, 3 days. And after that, I have to charge it. I am not a person that can wear this ring 24/7. I've learned that about myself throughout the time I've had fitness trackers. I'm not a type of person who can keep it on all the time. Sometimes I need a break. I think my skin needs a break. I think my hands need a break. So that period of time where I can just take it off for a few hours, let it charge up, are actually very relieving to me. I kind of like to have that time away from the ring. It will send me a notification if I forget to put it back on, which I also really appreciate because sometimes that does happen. It's constantly tracking things that I think that can easily wear down a battery. And in something so small, I don't know how mighty the battery would be. That is the only con I have. I would like it to last longer. My expectation was that it would not. But that's really the only thing. Having to take it off and charge it can be a bummer. It'll let me know, hey, you've got 25%. And I feel like I started to see that kind of frequently. But again, it gives me that time away from the ring to put it on in charge and just kind of go about my life before I put it back on and resume the tracking. So overall, I think this ring has become my favorite wellness tracker. I think it provides such a complete picture of your overall wellness. It's so in depth, it's so easy to digest the information that it's tracking. And I just think it's one of the most useful tools for anyone that just wants to improve in certain areas of their wellness. I think it's just very user-friendly, very easy to fit into your day-to-day style, and I don't feel like I'm impossible. I feel as though I still can keep up with my fashion and my style while also keeping up on my health. So I can definitely appreciate that about this ring. It has improved my day-to-day behaviors. I know what to focus on, and then I kind of take these little habits throughout the day. It does give me notifications for when I need to stop taking any type of stimulant, any type of coffee, but now I think it's giving me that notification so much, I'm kind of just aware of that time. And I feel like that's improved how I treat my body on a day-to-day, and then improved my sleep quality over the time that I've been wearing the ring. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Ultrahuman, for gifting me this ring. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any concerns, be sure to drop them in the box down below. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.